Okay, so what we have here is a CSV file. So as you can see, this is actually data from crimes in London, and we have a longitude and latitude, and we want to convert this CSV file into a point shapefile into QGIS or any other GIS software. So to do that, you just need to open your QGIS and start by drag and drop the CSV file into your project. So here we have crimes_London. I'm going to drag and drop into my project like this. Now I'm going to open the attribute table, so you can see this is the same file that I showed you before in Excel, and you just search for create points layer from table. You drag and drop into input layer the CSV file. For the X field, you choose longitude, and for the Y field, latitude. And for the target TRS, WGS84, you click on run, and by magic, the points appear on your map, like this. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to learn next.